When you first heard about Lima, what comes to your mind? You'll think that it's a kind of boring city without interesting places to visit. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, that's not true. Lima is a huge city with many fascinating attractions that you'll love to visit. The good news is, you don't need to stress yourself looking for interesting places to visit in this city. We've compiled a list of the places you'll love to visit. The first interesting place on our list is Plaza de Armas. Plaza de Armas is the historical center of Lima, and the most logical beginning stage for touring. A large part of the structures from the first city was lost in the earthquake of 1746, leaving just Plaza de Armas. Plaza de Armas is today a UNESCO World Legacy Site, and probably the best attraction for tourists in Lima. Number 2. Convento de San Francisco. San Francisco Church and its cloister are generally well known for their mausoleums containing the bones of around 10,000 people covered here when this was Lima's first burial ground. Underneath the congregation is a labyrinth of tight foyers, each fixed on the two sides with bones. Visiting these isn't for people who are scared of restricted spaces, as roofs are low and entryways between chambers are even lower, requiring people to twist while entering. There are so many things to view here. The library, on the upper level, has a huge number of old-fashioned books, and the cloister has an impressive collection of religious art. So you can visit the library and source for more information. Number 3. Cathedral. Lima's church rules the east side of the Plaza de Armas. Development began on the first church in 1535, and it was further developed in 1564, in view of the plan of the House of God in Seville, Spain. However, this building was damaged by an earthquake in 1687 and nearly annihilated by the Big Shake of 1746, but was rapidly reconstructed to its current appearance, which presently draws in tourists and travelers from all over the world. Number 4. Magic Water Tour in the Park of the Reserve. The Magic Water Tour was opened in the Park of the Reserve 15 years ago, and within a year recorded 2 million visitors. Besides, this park holds the record for the largest fountain complex in the world, with 13 separate fountains. Number 5. The Love Park. The Park of Love provides a romantic place to watch the sunset on the Malecon in Miraflores. The best part is that this love park can be accessible anytime till 11 p.m. in the evening. Number 6. Miraflores. Miraflores is a neighborhood of present-day glass and steel business structures blended in with a few fine old pioneer homes and bunches of green space. Here is the place where you'll observe savvy shops and eateries serving the new Peruvian cuisine that is drawing worldwide attention in culinary circles. You'll track down a lot of activities here apart from browsing in the shops and inspecting the new Peruvian cuisine. If you are interested in the pre-Columbian cultures, just book a tour of the Museo Humano to see a private collection of Peruvian ceramics and textiles, arranged chronologically. Number 7. National Museum. This is the biggest exhibition hall in Lima, and furthermore the best spot to start investigating Peru's antiquated history and gain a comprehension of Peruvian culture. The gallery covers the whole archaeological history of Peru, from the primary occupants to the Inca Empire. In this National Historical Center, you'll see displays of ceramics and materials, alongside scale models of archaeological sites, for example, Machu Picchu and the Nazca lines organized in sequential order to show the progression starting with one culture then onto the next. Number 8. Larco Museum. The Larco Museum contains an immense collection in excess of 40,000 bits of Peruvian ceramics, a huge piece of which is from the Moche and Chimu societies. Likewise, making it quite possibly the most well-known spot to visit in Lima is its magnificent collection of gold work, alongside certain materials, stone carvings, and metalwork. Number 9. Santo Domingo. This remarkable structure was constructed in 1540 on land given to the Dominican friar Vicente Valverde by Francisco Pizarro. The congregation and cloister of Santo Domingo is one of the most seasoned and most noteworthy in Lima. Here, you will track down the relics of Saint Rose of Lima, San Juan Mages, and Saint Martin de Porres, the first dark holy person in the Americas. Number 10. Huaca Pucllana. The pyramid-shaped temple of Huaca Pucllana lies in the core of Miraflores and is currently harshly encircled by structures. Built of adobe and clay bricks, the pyramid is formed in 7 staggered stages. The Lima culture, by whom the pyramid was constructed, developed in the central coast of Peru between AD 200 and AD 700. From relics found here, it is known to have been significant as both a ceremonial and administrative center. The area is divided into 2 sections, one of which shows evidence of being used for offerings of fish, while the other appears to have been administrative. Do you think the interesting places mentioned in this video are worth visiting? Let us know in the comment section below, and we will take it from there. This is what we can cover so far on Lima, Peru. I hope you find this video interactive and educative. If yes, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.